Hey guys, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for coming by our YouTube channel. In this video, we want to showcase a new scooter in Golden Technologies product line. This is called the Companion HD. So there's several companion models, and this is the heavy duty 3-wheel version. We have another video showing this product and some of the features of the product, but in this video, we really want to show what it's like to ride the scooter from a first-person perspective, so you can kind of get a good understanding of what it feels like to ride this. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have lots of content coming out, and by liking and subscribing, you'll make sure that you don't miss any of the new content that we do come out with. Also, we have a catalog. If you would like a catalog sent to your home, you can go to our website to request one, fill out the information, or you can call us to request one. And once you request it, it takes about 10 days for you to receive it. So it'll have all of our top sellers, and that's a good way of looking at our products too. All right, so going over some of the features on this. So there's 2 adjustable mirrors, and the tiller is a Delta tiller, which is great for people that have limited mobility in their hands. They can just rest their wrist here and then accelerate on the scooter. It's an ambidextrous tiller. You can accelerate with just one hand, so you can accelerate on either side. If you wanted to use only your left hand or only your right hand. 2 sets of keys. The dash here, it just shows your battery life. So we're at 85%, so it shows the percentage here, and then there's just a bar right here that shows you when it's time to recharge the batteries. This is your speed control dial. When it's turned all the way up and you fully accelerate, it's about 6 miles per hour. You have 2 horn buttons on each side. You have your lighting package, just shows your front headlight. You got anti-tip wheels on the side, so despite it being a 3-wheel with a great turning radius, you have added peace of mind knowing that you have stability on the side, so you're not going to tip over. And of course, there's anti-tip wheels in the back too. It has a rear suspension that really absorbs bumps well. Armrests are adjustable in width, so you can adjust this knob and extend the armrest out. You can also adjust the height. You want to adjust the height of the armrest, and you can adjust the angle of the armrest too. The seat is really wide. I want to say it's 24 inches wide. I can sit in this comfortably and have plenty of room on both sides of my legs. There's 2 cup holders, so you have the ability to hold 2 drinks, a little bit of storage. You got a front basket for storage that's removable. You just pop it up from the bottom and you can remove this, and it has this handle so you can take it shopping with you. One other thing is the tiller is adjustable. You pull this lever, that's how you adjust the tiller. Charging port is located right here. That's where you charge the scooter. Now let's take it for a little ride. Now, I wouldn't say this is the fastest Golden scooter, but it is smooth. Suspension makes a difference for sure. But you have the 3-wheel capability, so you have the super tight turning radius. Golden Technologies is one of those brands that is just really a staple in the industry. So now you can hear how quiet it is. Like, this scooter is super silent, really smooth ride. So if you have any questions about the Companion HD, any of the Companion products, or really any of Golden Technologies products, definitely give us a call. We have agents standing by. We're open every day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks so much for watching, and hope this video was helpful.